how to click a panorama picture in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can click a panorama picture in your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Just open up your camera and then you can see photo option at the bottom. Just swipe to the left and then you can see the pano option, and you can see there is an arrow. You'll need to follow that arrow. You'll need to hold the a circle and then just drag your camera. You can see the arrow is moving, and once you're done, just leave the circle, and then this is what the photo will look like with the panorama mode. If you want to, you can change it to 0.5x or 2x as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.